Hey guys, if your Steam game running on Unreal Engine 4 crashes on startup, don't worry, I'll walk you through several methods to fix it. Just follow along and let's get started. First, we'll make sure your graphics drivers are up to date. Open the search bar and type Device Manager. Click on it, then expand Display Adapters. Right-click your graphics card and select Update Driver, then click Search automatically for drivers. That's the quick way, but for better results, I recommend using the official software for your graphics card brand. If you're using NVIDIA, open the NVIDIA app. If you're on AMD, use the AMD Adrenalin software. Check for driver updates inside those apps and install them if any are available. I'll leave links in the description to help you find your brand's tool. Next, head to your Steam library, find the game that's crashing, right-click it, select Properties, go to Installed Files and click Browse. Once the game folder opens, find the .exe file of your game, right-click it and select Properties. Under the Compatibility tab, make sure to check Disable Full Screen Optimizations. Run this program as administrator. Run in compatibility mode for Windows 8. Click Apply, then OK. This helps prevent crashes caused by permission or resolution conflicts. Back in Steam, right-click your game again. Click Properties, go to Installed Files and choose Verify Integrity of Game Files. This checks for any missing or corrupt files and re-downloads them. Super useful if the crash is caused by a broken install. Now search for Display Settings. Click on it and scroll down. Make sure both your scale and display resolution are set to the recommended options. Incorrect settings can cause display conflicts with some Unreal Engine titles. Go back to Search, type Check for Updates and click it. Make sure your system is fully up to date. Game crashes can often be linked to missing system files or compatibility issues that Microsoft has already patched. Back in Steam, right-click your game, click Properties, and under Launch Options type -DX11. Try launching the game. If that still doesn't work, come back and change it to Medish DX12. Still not working? Just remove the launch options entirely and leave the box blank. Finally, restart your computer. This makes sure every setting, update, and fix gets applied properly. After rebooting, open Steam and launch your game again. It should now work without crashing.